So we're ready to start sketching some things for this character. I usually start with a simple sketch on pen and paper. I use a simple notepad that I have lying around my desk, and I even use a ballpoint pen to do the drawing. I try to keep it very small and simple at this point, since all I want to define are the main shapes. For example, here I have the big head, the pointy ears, the tiny body and the rubber tube limbs. As you can see on the smallest drawings, I'm trying to define the silhouette of the character. And on the other ones, I may try to define some finer details of the face. Now it's time to move on to a more detailed sketch that I will do on Adobe Photoshop by using my Wacom tablet. Don't worry if you don't have one. You can do the same thing with pencil and paper, and then you can scan it or take a picture of it and import it into Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so next you'll see the footage of me drawing the sketch for this character. So I open a new file on Adobe Photoshop. As you can see, I'm drawing a novel. I'm deleting half of it, and now I'm duplicating that layer, flipping it around, and creating a novel that's completely symmetrical. Now I'm duplicating it and dragging it down so I can get the proportions of 2 heads tall. And I'm starting to draw the body of this character. I'm now drawing the leg, and more or less I'm going to start adding the details of the face, for example the eye. As you can see, I'm drawing first the left half of everything because I'm going to duplicate it to the other side afterwards. So I'm drawing the hair now, the ear, and so on. And when I need to, I'm transforming the shapes. So I'm rotating, resizing, and relocating some elements so as to take advantage of that functionality on Adobe Photoshop. So now I'm copying everything that's on the left, creating a new layer, and I'm dragging it to the other side, transform and flip horizontal to reflect it to the other side. And now I have a perfectly symmetrical sketch. As you can see, I'm still adjusting some things. I'm scaling some elements and trying different things, different proportions and different shapes that you can get by simply using the transform function. I'm drawing some extra detail right now. Still changing some things by using the lasso tool and the transform tool. And now I'm going to try different things for the arms and the hands. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying different things, rotating the arms to find exactly what I want, and I'm redrawing them in this moment to try a different position, which is, by the way, the one that I'm going to use. Now I'm drawing the wings, and I'm making sure that every piece of this character fits with the rest of the elements. And as always, I'm copying everything to the other side, so the sketch in itself is already symmetrical, and that saves me a lot of time on Adobe Illustrator because I don't have to adjust anything. Everything is more or less ready to start vectorizing. So that's it for now. On the next video, I'm going to start using Adobe Illustrator to draw the outlines of the vectors for this illustration.